up? We back here with another video. Just like I was talking about in my last video, I did mess up my bumper. Going down the road, had a flat tire, threw the flat tire under my car, through the middle, cracked my bumper.
Literally ruined this man's car.
2 days or 3 days after I had literally just put it on, a flat tire came flying and came straight to the back of my car and completely destroyed my back rear diffuser. I was hoping, like I said in the other video, that Icon Motorsports would, give me some kind of a discount because it happened a few days after installation, but they did not. So, I just went on and bought it for the full price, but I did use my promo code for American Authority because I am sponsored by American Authority. If y'all want to use that, man, American Authority is the best place, hands down, that you can find parts for Camaros, Corvettes, Mustangs, Chargers, all that. Hands down, the best products you can get, and it's very reliable. As long as you're doing right, you feel me? You can't be out here just doing anything and everything. But like I was saying, man, yeah, I had to use my promo code. I'm gonna leave that down in the description so y'all can, use that, get me up in this world, But without further ado, we're gonna get to this repair video. It's lit. Also, I know there's gonna be questions and stuff like that about this, because in my workout video that I did on What's Go Vlogs, I didn't have this, and I was training and looked healthy and all that. I will definitely show y'all a video and show y'all pictures of what happened, man. It's crazy. I got pictures, and actually I don't have any pictures at all. Like it's traumatizing for me, so I didn't take any pictures of the accident that I had. But I will definitely hip y'all to what happened right here. It was pretty bad, and I have really bad anxiety, so when I went to go get it checked out, I didn't even want to see the pictures. It was pretty bad, but I knew something was wrong. But man, like I was saying, man, we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna show y'all what happened. Pretty much, it's pretty bad, but without further ado, we getting back to this video, man. Squat.
3 days later.
So, as you can tell by the name of the video, we're going to be installing the gauge cluster for my Camaro. It's a V6 Camaro, and I just want to add something new to it. It was missing something besides power. But like I said, man, we're gonna be adding this gauge cluster in. I'm gonna be doing it by myself. And so yeah, man, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, I just got back from Advanced Autos. I had to grab a couple of things. I had to grab the trim remover right here, and then I also had to grab me a magnet pin, just in case any bolts fall or anything like that. I did actually make my own little thing to pretty much reach the pins that are back deep in the gauge cluster itself, because I know that's gonna be like way far back there. So I made my own little tool with that. Hopefully I don't have to actually go buy a tool that's gonna fit. If this does work, I will put it in the descriptions of how I made it with my own tools that came out of my own box and stuff like that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. All we're gonna do here is remove this one, and this one. Do not remove this one because it doesn't do anything, and do not remove this one back in here because it doesn't do anything as well. All you gotta do is just ease this corner off. And then you work your way all the way down. And it's the same process all the way around. Just come over here, take that off, this, and then all the way around. All right, guys, so I've got this dust boot cover off. As you can see, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Do not do what I did because the clip is all the way in the corner. But I'll show you guys where the bolts are. So back there on the right side, and then there's gonna be another one on the left side, once I can find it myself. But it's back there on the left side, and then there's one right here, right on the side. Those are the only ones that you need to remove. Oh yeah, there's two on the bottom as well. So there's one right behind this little cover right here and one right here. I am definitely going to have to invest in a GoPro because this is a lot harder than I thought it would be, especially with me doing it by myself. But without further ado, let's get back into it. Whew. As you guys can see, I finally got it installed. Man, it was not actually that hard as I thought it was, but I did have to take a 3-hour break because I had to get some other stuff done. But man, let me show y'all what this looks like. Woo! Look at that, y'all. Yo. CarPlay still works. You know, everything still works. So I hope you guys like the video.
What you doing, boy?